I received the table about a day or two ago, and I just had the time to finish it now. As you guys can see, it looks just like the picture. Has the lights under. And actually, I was surprised. Usually there's a damage or two, but this time there was nothing. It came in perfect shape. And it has this to change the color. It did come with extra screws. I forgot to put these up. These are for the lights. You could put it to the left or the right, depending what you prefer. I preferred it like that, but you could just switch it up.
Now's the time.